Hi, I'm Mia. I'm a Montessori guide and I have a language lesson for you. For today's lesson, I'm going to show you how we present the parts of the flower. We have 3 cards here. First, second, and then the third. We are going to work with the first 2 cards first. Do we know what this is? This is a flower. How about this one? Do we know what this is? We don't know. We will find out later. How about this part? If we don't know, we can find out later. This one, do we know what this is? We can find out later as well. How about these ones? Do we know what these are? Okay, let's find out. So the first one, we know that it's a flower. Let's find the label for flower. This one says flower. Let's label it. For the next one, I think it's called corolla. Let me find the word corolla. Corolla. I wonder what this is. Let's check our label. I think it's called calyx. Let's see. And then for the next one, is it a pistil or stamens? I think it's called a pistil. Pistil. And then the last one, stamens. Stamens. Okay, now let's check whether we got our answers or our cards or our labels right. Do they look the same? Yes. Flower, flower. Yes, we labeled it right. Do they look the same? No. Here, no. No. Here, yes. Same picture, stamens, stamens. Next, let's see what we have. Do they look the same? No. No. Here, yes. Pistil, pistil. Let's see. They don't look the same. This one, they look the same. Calyx, calyx. And our last picture, okay. It says corolla, corolla, and they do look the same. We have labeled the parts of the flower and we have matched them. We did it.